Cause one thing with them can't tell you with Russian, like, me I go work hard. Me no care if you give me 300, me I go run all of them faster than with the time where you give me. You can't ask me, coach, like, me I go run faster than the time where you give me. Like,
so that's for what that for? Oh, yeah, proof.
I mean, I prove nothing, but you know.
Alright, man. Alright, welcome back to another episode of the Reason podcast. As in, and today we have a champion we win from like high school days, and she's an Edwin Allen fan, so you know, say natural as a KC old boy. We get along well, as if we know that for a long time. But Rushana, I'm see I win 800, but now you win 400 at college. As if so congratulations on your recent win.
Thank
Very
you.
impressive, very impressive. You step down. Run fast and I beat up them girl. I change conference and still I beat up them girl. You see me? Cause I know you beat up a girl from UCF and thing. You see it?
Yeah,
Man,
yeah.
amazing. So I just want to say congratulations on that. Yeah.
Thank you.
So how you do? All things, all life.
Everything alright in my life, alright. Just like coming off injury and say if you go in a conference and do that, you know, they'd want to make it go a national, but
Yo,
so
yo, Nationals rough. Nationals rough this year. Missing man
rough,
around 20.0 and 200. Yo,
the rough, for real.
rough.
The rough, but I feel like if me never injure like that, like feel like me would have a chance a little bit to make it, cause when me did run a little bit, me did I feel my quad, cause first I did my hamstring, but no, you know how quad pain it kinda hard to run with it. So
Yeah.
we just like couldn't like sprint so much. So
Which leg?
left,
Left. Oh, so a curve. Basically, I feel it on the curve.
yeah.
Yeah, G.
And like before me go run the final, like me don't know what me eat in the night before. Like the belly just did hurt me real bad. Like, coach, I tell me say I'm nervous, but I'm not nervous.
Man.
No, but I don't because from wake up in that man, my belly just hurt me. I said, "Oh me, the guy back to me, my belly just kill me."
I'm
When we go
nervous,
in
man.
like me, I warm up and everything. I say, "Alright, then it'll go alright, bro." Come like a rest, it'll get rest. But when we go out there and run, like you never feel that bad and thing, but
Yeah.
like unfortunately, we couldn't make it. But outdoor, I think, cause you know Jamaica don't have indoor track and
Yeah. I
and a
really
few
care about
that.
indoor. Yeah, true. But me I tell us, me I say, yo, nice. Congratulations on your win, me not tell you, like,
Thank you.
you see me? And me I tell you before they say, yo, you're a coach and my coach. Them my friend. I think they compete in a college, if me not mistaken, you see me? So,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, man. But can we talk about, the growing up? How is Roshana growing up?
Rushana growing up. So primary school, the first me kind of look like tomboyish. Now me I try to grow to look like tomboyish.
See, you're growing a woman who they know.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
get like a girly and stuff.
Yeah.
Primary school, we used to do like all event. Every Jamaican used to do all event. But
True.
then one time around the 1500, my coach say, "Alright, you gotta do 800." Then I never really love 800 like that. No, 1500 I did really my race. Like we love 1500, but we try 800. When we got a surgical champs now, we win 1500.
Yeah.
I think we did win the 800 too. I don't remember, but something like that. And then afterwards, surgical champs, Edwin Allen did that try to get me from something the champs.
Primary jumps.
I think it's primary champs. Then come down there, but I did not let me figure it out. A states,
States?
yeah. Technical. Sentinel is a technical we did figure. Cause my mother didn't want me to go Sentinel State. Cause we didn't want to go Sentinel State because
So long. Where you come from?
St. Elizabeth.
Oh, okay. So you
I
want
mean
to
at
stay
the
home?
countryside. I don't really want to stay home because we didn't look up to Janelle Broomfield. Cause you know she did around the 400 every time and she does the fastest girl at states and she did that do good like.
Yeah.
So me just did want to go the fair, train with her and stuff. Cause me used to go up a stage, we used to train her. Cause me used to play football and stuff. Me used to play football for St. Elizabeth.
So you did tomboys for real, man. Like,
Used to play football. But then the coach used to tell me like football and track and field don't work. Because when me go around and come back, like me not play like how me usually play. So he used to like put me on for halftime because we used to play the full game, but then when we
Mm.
come back from track meet and stuff, he used to put me halftime for run like if we play and he always say like you can't go run and then come back and expect you to start. So I never play that no mind
Mm.
because I didn't want to play football, Football I didn't want to play. I never want
Which
to do track
position?
and field.
Which
Hmm?
position? Which position you play?
Used to play forward, then when we
Oh.
come back from the job, he put me at defense. Like they say, oh yeah, change up my position so much. And
Yeah.
then afterwards, he say you have to go choose one. Then when we go, mama tell my mother say, Coach, me have to go choose one now, mommy. Mommy say, which one you want to play? But my mother ain't want to run because my mother used to run and my father used to run. My father used to use the distance,
Yeah.
long distance. My mother used to run and jump. She used to do like long jump or something. But our mother never make
Oh.
she go to stadium because you know when you follow company, sometimes you know if you follow
Yeah,
company.
yeah.
So your mother tell her don't
Yeah.
follow company. But but then she never get to go to stadium because she could have do long jump real good.
Mm.
Because my mother have 4 away. 4 away can't run, but my
Four
sister
girl?
teach no, 2 girl, 2 boy.
Oh, which one you fall?
Hmm?
Which one you
I'm the
fall?
last one.
Last one. Oh. So you
Yeah.
spoil.
Can't say that. You can't say that. But my brother teacher, my sister teacher, my other brother into like construction work and something. But all
Mm.
of them used to run. My brother when me come after him used to run and stuff, but then he stopped run because he used to go at Newell High School. He used to go at Lackover first, then he transferred to Newell. But then
Mm.
he stopped run. Alright, so I did want gas stats and something, but
Mm.
Edwin Allen give me a best offer. So my mother didn't ever want me to go so far because when you have your little pitney, you don't want she go so far out of your sight because
Yeah.
a girl pitney, a girl pitney stay or something.
Yeah.
But my
And
brother did
then
I tell her,
and worse because she did bad, she feel like she go bad too. Isn't me?
no mother never so but she just never but then she don't want me got Edwin because it's too far away for Clarendon and like we never like me just the one place for me band like me just there with my mother for me band like me never really
Yeah.
go away like that. If me I go somewhere me and my mother. So my
Mm.
brother they look into it and then they might give one good offer. They might pay for school. They might make you stay up on campus and same thing. Like everything just did free. Like mother
Yeah.
never have to pay for no school. She never have to buy no book for me. Nothing. So
Yeah.
so my brother say, look, you don't have to pay for nothing because the mother she's a single parent and she do everything by herself. She said my brother got school. She said my sister got college. She said everybody got college, but
She
she
sent
never
him
said.
got college?
Yeah, like mother, she hardworking
Eh?
at everything. Like she just a
Shit.
single parent. Me have father in her, but
Yeah, me know what you mean.
he never in my life like that.
Mm.
But she said everybody got school. So when my bigger brother, he would have come like he fought. When you have one bigger sibling, so you know
Yeah.
everything, like the struggle and everything. So he
Yeah.
just did that. My mother did that ask him like when you want with you do one song. And my brother did that tell her, but she does like parents they don't want to send them pictures so far.
Yeah.
But then after that now she just say, alright. Whenever I sent surgical chance me, I see how you do. Something. So me say, alright then. But me never want to check out my love. I say, I hope she doesn't me go so far.
Mm.
I say, I hope she doesn't me go so far. We just think one gas states. Because if me gas states, me can get to play football and me can't get to run.
Yeah.
Me I say, I hope she doesn't me go so far, man. So indeed, so we got surgical champs. Everything go good and stuff. So indeed, he talked to Mr. Dyke and he talked to two other coach when he Mr. Green. That
Mm.
type of people them were like we recruit them. And then
Yeah.
after then give me one full scholarship and then come down with the school one day. Now my uniform dirty everything coming just a come back. They come
Mm.
down there and they must say like what me I do. At the time me I play football with the boy, me are the only girl out there play football.
Bro,
And
you
then
did bad, man. You did bad, man. You did
mm-mm.
bad, man.
Then
Unruly
they
then. You did unruly. You did unruly.
really look like Ivan, like
Yeah.
the little tomboy still.
Yeah.
But they give him one full scholarship. Then we got Edwin Allen now. We got Edwin Allen the first year. Like Mr. Chamber, one thing with me not like losers. We just don't like losers, real.
Mm.
Me don't like losers. So like when we did training and everything, we used to run out fast. Like how training there sometimes you have like six of this, 10 of this, cause Mr. Dyke is a good coach. Like you just
Yeah.
have to just trust the process for real. Him,
Yeah.
him a one good coach. Me not telling like.
So hold on
Feel
there.
like
I him coach everything. Like when it comes on to running, I him coach all like running.
Yeah, but he have like assistant coach like Mr. Clark, Miss Geddes, Pastor, Miss Ashley, and some other people.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But I him like oversee everything basically.
Yeah, him write the
Oh,
program and everything. Mr. Clark used to give Mr. Clark a program for giveaway, but when it come to the serious part, them he used to like coach we and stuff. Like say
oh,
if we have like test week, him used to do that. But then
mm,
when we had to like 200 and stuff like normal training, he give Mr. Clark a training program and then he
okay.
give it.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
Mr. Like one time he gave how much 400? I think it was 2400. No, it's serious. I think it was 2400 and he just a walk. Me I say,
Eh,
mommy. Yo, he really used to roll.
what back, Chris?
Yeah, like I mean, I tell you, say we don't know how we are make every one of them in at the time. Me I tell you, like you just
Mm.
sometimes you just have to put your mind to something. Cause you first you always say, who go do that? Me not do that, you know. That too hard. Don't think me gonna make it time. Like you just have to say, don't think me I make it time, you know. But when you do it 2400, you're done. You have to say, you're looking to yourself and say, me really do 2400, like.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
yeah, very man.
And then December break, you're thinking you with 2200 too. Like for real, you have to compound time. December break when you are going, if you not compound time, I don't feel time in my work with film time. You know, like, if you don't compound film time in,
Eh.
if you don't compound film time in, you have to go wait till everybody finish before you start your program. And you have to make everyone at time when you
So
before you,
in discipline for real.
yeah.
That's I know win small champs, you know. At that. No
Yeah.
discipline, no discipline, but discipline.
Yeah, I feel like that's why I'm stay so too. Like stay disciplined and always be on time and work hard. Like it just
Yeah,
broken me from them the time there, you know?
yeah. If somebody whenever you want to run, so
Yeah,
big up this and that.
just they want play football.
Yeah,
No, we just they want play football for it. Because like when you grow up, like we grew up with my brother them. Like my sister, she used to go Hampton. So like they
um,
stay upon campus and stuff. And
yeah,
brother used to go Manor, so them stay upon campus. They used to live with my grandmother up Manor. So me never really see my sister like that. But my little brother, the
yeah.
one who come after, I don't really my little brother, but me just little brother.
Yeah.
So the one who come after, I just we the home, my cousin. Gawi and we used to close. Everybody used to think we are twins, like
Mm,
cause like me used to like how me have me hair braid back here, some used to braid me hair back here. Me used to like so top boy for real. Like you can't catch me that no battery ready. You can't catch me that no skirt. You
so
know, see me.
a boy close your way right through.
Yeah, it's like my mother used to buy the clothes. Yeah, me tell her something now. Get the clothes here now because it's just like me not feel comfortable in them. And now me
Okay,
still not feel comfortable now. We are like skirt and stuff. Me wear shorts now, but me not feel comfortable.
yeah,
That's
so
why coach
yeah,
was
yeah.
like the other day when we were the 4x4 and they have to make me wear the swimsuit. So when we wear it, he must say, would it really make Rushana good nice pizza? I was like, oh, I'm not wearing that thing again. I always have to Harley down. Like, me not like no
Yeah.
wear show up my body come. Me never wear swimsuit.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
So you wear a beach.
No. Put on me, little shorts, I have a
Okay. We see yeah, we see yeah.
no, we just not feel comfortable with them the things then.
Yeah, me respect it still, me not lie. So me God, that rare nowadays. That very rare
Yeah.
nowadays, boy.
But then when we got Edwin Allen now, everything just did that work out good. We said I then first when we got it done, because when you play football, you go get knee injury and them,
Yeah.
So me did have like, they say like fluid did in a my knee. It did always affect me and thing. So we did sit out for like a week and then we come back now we got trams. No, we got center. No. We did run first.
Mm.
Before that, I like we got trap meet. But when we got trap meet, me never really perform that much and thing. Cause me never really put mind to it. Like me never like loses, but me did just lose them the time they like
Yeah.
it just did not get to me brain. Like me I say, boy, me I run, but me just perform good. Then Mr. Clark is a good man. Me not tell him. He come to me and he say, me believe in you. Me know say you can't do it. Just put your mind to it. Don't make nothing. Tell you say you can't do it. Like he just depend on me. He work with me every day. Like Mr. Clark can't forget that money. In just
Yeah.
in depend Rushana, me know you can't do it. Although it feels so rough right now, me know you can't do it. I'm just there, like me, I listen to him, but when you listen to somebody I
You're
say,
not really
no,
taking it.
yeah,
Yeah.
me just do that plus I was like every minute and then like when we go. we go as states. We can't figure out where we go as states. And parents, them, mother did them, sister, everyone and my family member. So me I said, Mr. Clark said, this is time, you know, your mother come watch you know, everybody come watch you know, you have to like do
Run
good yourself.
fast.
Yeah, you have to run fast. Like somebody that know me, they have me a drink up the water and I sit down there like me not talk to nobody. Like, that time first time me just stay locked in, me not talk to nobody. Just locked in and everything. So we go there now, we run it 4x8, we run good.
Mm.
So we are gonna run I think it was a 1500 we are run. That's why we get for low 1500. So when we are running 1500 down, me and this girl named Jessica, we did a run and everything. So I don't know when we get a little speed up at the end, I'm stop. So we did find that when we win the race, we never stop lose for that. Mr. Clark, you see, Mr. Clark said to me, say, you see, me know see you got in you, you just have to believe in yourself. When we got training, we start training hard and everything. Because when we got training, and like if somebody pass me, stop and say me need a hot me. Sometimes me need a hot
Oh
me, you know.
God.
Should
Oh
we
God.
just should we
Jano.
just should we just can't take losing? Cause I just some mistake like me just don't like lose.
Yeah.
And then we got champs now. We win 800. I'm winning 1500. Then we
Which
got
classes? Class one?
class 3.
What? As long as you win champs?
Yeah. We win class 3. We win class second year 3. We win first year 2. But we never win second year 2. Think me never win second. No. Like
You
we
have
win
too much
we
medal,
win
man.
class 3. Win second year 2, but first year me never win. Wait, no. Cause first year 1 we never got champs. That are the 20.
COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So me lose second year 2 because
Yeah.
my asthma did a act up on me and stuff.
Oh. Mm.
And we did put on a little weight, so. No, we didn't put on a little weight for real, like. We didn't get so big, we didn't know how we did around.
Where you call big? Cause me not think 800 meter runner can get big, you know. No get big enough.
No, we can't get big, but like if you look past some of my chance picture them, like me look fat, like more than 1 meter. Me used to wear like 150 something. I know I say 800 when I know for wear so
Yeah.
much. Although me
True.
did tall, but it tallness couldn't make me wear so much. Like no, me wear like what do you mean wear 150 something, but me good on back. But me wear
Oh.
like 145.
Oh.
Yeah.
Light man.
Yeah.
Light man.
We have to stay alive.
Yeah.
But
True.
then when COVID before second year 2 when me lose, come like say everything just they come back down for me. Like
No,
me
no man, you
just
can't take losses for real, man. So they winning, they just come like a nothing to you. You
no,
just
me I tell her like no, me just know how I feel like appreciate it. Like every time you know go win, you know, but I just some of this thing, you know, when you're just young and you feel like you just win everything. Like
yeah.
when second year 2, me just did feel like feel like everything just goes down for me. Like I said, you know, I'm really gonna lose, but we can't be because my asthma just did get bad in the time. Like me just did a blackout every time we run. Me just stop and me just black out. Me have to there me have to go hospital. Me have to depend drip. Me have to do this. Me have to do that. And then after chance, me said that they have to carry me go Mandeville for them test me heart and see if there's something wrong with my heart and stuff.
Yeah.
But then first when COVID
But I
come,
never nothing wrong though. I never nothing wrong.
I just my asthma. My heart did
Okay,
alright.
alright.
I just my asthma. Then after COVID now, me did glad say COVID did come back because when me did come back, me did glad say COVID did come because me never ready come me never change good either come me come back. Me I do the same thing like we put away like we just never cared every time. Like we don't know what happened to me like.
I mean, I COVID. I COVID.
For real. And then we come back now. Last year one now we start training. Everything just did go alright like how it always been. Oh, first year 3, me make carve that team. That was so nice.
How
In the
that feel?
young, it feel good to say you make your first team. For say you're the youngest one of you on the team. Like
Yeah.
it's nice.
You did medal?
Yeah, me did come second in a 1500 behind Shakina foot.
Oh, right. Nice.
Me
So,
used to, me
so,
the,
so I will now do 400 now then basically, man.
yeah, come see what you doing. No, but me tell you, like, me used to be youngest when me used to run games, like, the bigger pitney them, like, me I say,
Yeah.
me talented enough, but me just, them the time, them me just never really cared,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. I
But
mean, all the
Mr.
better
Clark,
still. All the better. Yeah, because you're not stressed out about it when you're young. So,
I'm for real. But Mr. Clark always depend me and be like, if you take it serious, like you have a talent, you have everything, like just. But me just did not listen. But you know when you say,
yeah, yeah.
but then first last year when we start do everything right, make carve the team. Then when we make carve the team now, run the 800 and everything, a carve that run 207. And then say me lucky girl, so me get disqualified.
Yeah.
But me still never care about my medal. Me say me not care for medal because me work hard for this. Me not care about my medal.
So, how they
So
make you get away with that day?
me, they never take back the medal, but they take me and fight something. I never me win. They disqualify me at a race, but me still
Why?
have my medal.
Couple years from now, you can't see the win because you have a medal.
Me
So,
have a medal, see me,
yeah,
me have a medal. And the rest probably by YouTube. Me don't care what they want to say.
exactly. Exactly.
But the girl link up on the interview and she said, me never do it. Because you know, at distance was everybody I go link up together and I go move. And me used to run with my hand like this. I just know
Yeah,
my farm kind of fix look a bit. But me used to,
yeah,
like, at distance race, they just did make it. Me no know.
yeah. I know what you mean.
But then we were on the 4x4. We win the 4x4. Me did alright. First, when we did come off, I poured them. Me did that crying and come here. I said, John, me run 207 and we really want to, but like, me did really upset. Like, me, I say, oh, a girl don't say me never lick her, so why they have a problem with that? So,
Yeah,
me say,
true.
leave it alone, yeah, man. Then, me did make equality the World Junior team. When we got
Yeah.
World Junior, I don't know if my body just never used to a long season like that because we
Mm,
used to say, you know what, me not gonna make no Jamaica team, me not go cause it too long, like me a train too long, like me want a break.
yeah.
But then after we carved World Junior team, we did a chain did and stuff. Then when we got World Junior, I don't know what happened. Come second to last, like say, John, me say we come second to last, me feel a weird. Me feel
Yeah,
a
me
weird.
ashamed too.
Me
More
say
ashamed too,
like,
me not lie.
me say like, ask me like, what do me like if everything alright, everything is alright, but me just don't know me are running about my body. You know when you run fast like you run, but you don't know your body just no feel it. Like you feel like you go fast, but your body is
You're
saying,
not gonna,
you're not
yeah.
go fast.
So, hold on, let me ask you feel like say you just check out and just decide say you don't really want to go no further. So your body just you respond like that.
Me feel like I that, me feel like I that. I feel like true make my body not train for so long, you know, used to that.
Sweet, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But after that now when we call it and me lose and me come second to last, me not come out of my room. Me not come out of my room. Me not come out. I last year they see me. Me not come out of my room. Can me just feel like yeah, although me never like check and feel, but them the time that me did start get feel like you and something.
So
Then
hold
me
on,
never
up to all them time they still never like you.
no, last year when me did start get feel like it. But
But
that's why me never come out of my room where I go to watch them race. Me just them the time that me just did a bit selfish like me and said, Jano, me come second to last. Me now watch nobody running now.
yo, you see, I one thing when you know people are talented now, yo. When you just take this thing for just joking, brother. Like, we are talking about right now. We are talking about, yo, how much money want to go? But me understand still. That's true. You see me, you know, you like loses. Me understand. But my
Yeah.
lord, man. Mm.
So we never come out of my room and stuff and then last the last day I did go watch them and watch Serena them and Tina them.
Yeah, I mean, I've watched that still. Guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, then do a character, me I say, boy, you have no chance but to watch that one day, yo. Big man
Yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Talented man.
Yeah,
But
man.
then get a scholarship from South Plains. Come on South Plains first year.
So hold on,
So
you did just you did just want to go South Plains or are them offer you first and you just say, well, are this something I go?
they offer me first and plus me never like me never wait till me 6 years old come on coming for opening. Cause me and Brandy no, no, because I did the COVID, the go back in and stuff. And you know, you have to, yeah, then when I say you have to go do SAT, like, me not have no time to do that.
Yeah.
Like, you have to go do that, then you have to score one big. Suppose me not score big, like,
Yeah.
me have to go stay
Yeah.
at Jamaica and wait till January me get a call. No,
Yeah. Me
could nobody do
understand. Me
that.
understand. Yeah.
Plus, me and my friend Brandy, we did close, so we did want to go to school together. Like, we did want to do everything together.
Mm.
So we just say, all right, we are got South Plains. Although when we there Jamaica, me don't know say South Plains are junior college. Me don't know junior college different for university. You know they way me never know
Yeah,
it
yeah, yeah.
different. Just say, all right, everybody are going same thing like me.
So
Me
yeah,
not
yeah.
care. Me not care. But
I
when we
won
come up here,
college.
so when we come up here, now, obviously they say I do that college like God do. I say, oh, a different thing like D1 I bigger thing. like D1 like D1 I bigger thing now. So they say, all right then, D1 I bigger thing.
Mm.
So when I come and sell players now, Coach Miller. Coach Miller start coach me. Everything did have gone alright. Until my asthma did act up one day training like blackout again. Just bring me back down to memory lane. I said, Jano, me can't make this stop me, But we still,
Where that run? Where that run when you blackout?
me think we did I do 600.
Okay.
But afterwards, when we go in our training room and everything calm down, I said, me still go back out there and do my training. Cause me say, alright, time for lucky, you're there, a big league now, so you can't really joke around like,
True.
So we just did that do what me have to do. Then we go the championship now.
Yeah, yeah.
So we go there now.
NJCAA.
Coach Miller make me run DMR.
Mm.
First leg of the DMR. That thing so hard. I think it was the 12 months.
Man.
Bro, me did have to start every time me have to run it. Every time. I lift me ball me have to run it. But me give them a good lead, me give them a good start. Like, me always bring it back in first. That's one thing. You can't depend on me in one really. You can't go bring it back in first. I'll even give me ball in a last, me I try find my way up at first. I just some mistake like, I just some mistake because me don't like lose it. Me don't like their back. One thing with myself, you see if you're there back, you see a person in front of you, try pass it, you come second to last, but you're not come last.
Come last. I true.
Not come last. So Coach Miller, me run the DMR, give them win the DMR, then we run the 800, me never run the 400, run the 800. Then the second day we run the 4x8, we back in the drop, like, making them a good lead, but then a girl, what did happen is she never, she just did come in a January, so it's hard for her if you catch up to. So she did a run and everything, but the New Mexico girl licked the button out her hand, so I did drop, so we get disqualified. Then we run the 800 indoor, like, me never, like, me with the girl in a semi, Then when it come to the final, the girl with me, I said, Jano, me feel a way,
So what happened?
Me don't know, like, me feel like a girl planned to me. Me feel like a girl just planned to me, like, when we come off that curve now, the girl lay there a little bit in the front of me. So when me a speed up now, it come like the girl have a different girl. Me say, alright, me just give up. Me just can't bother. So me feel sad enough, but then me I say, I just saw it go. I just let's if you come out door and just win her. So if 4x4, Coach Fans say me not have to run the 4x4 now. So me up in our stand now. Coach Fans come for me. Can you just run the 4x4, please? We need the points. So me say, alright, just like a run. So we run. We just tell him like, give me the button close by. Cause if you give me the button close by, you can depend on me. Cause me I go win.
Yeah.
But our team success and them success run good and everything.
Why the one team is success?
Yeah.
She gets second yesterday, yo.
Yeah, but she gets second. Success talented. She's a talented little girl.
Yeah.
But then we come second and stuff. Although I did win the 800, but we never get to win the 400, the 4x4. I don't think we did win the 4x4. We did win the 4x8 boat. Win the 4x4.
So,
and then my last year at Juka now, I just get an hamstring injury again. Like the other year, then never gone good. Like me, I do good indoor and everything. Indoor, I don't know. Indoor,
you feel like because it curved in tight. You feel like that's why.
I feel like that's why, but from Jamaica, me have like hamstring injury because the doctor did tell me like, two hamstring, me have a blood clot, and I did have to sit down for like 2 months and stuff.
Oh. So you never do needling it? You feel like release
tension? When me come up here, me do niggle.
Oh.
Me do niggle. First time I do it, I like South Florida. That thing hot.
Yeah. Me love it still, me not lie. Me love needling.
It's not soft. Can't look at this in there.
But hold on, you don't have tattoo. So why difference?
Me have tattoo, but I don't know. Me have too much. how much tattoo me have? Both for a tattoo. But hot, but needle, that thing hot. That
Tattoo
thing still hot.
worse. Tattoo way worse because the shading, the line, we can understand, but the shading,
No,
at that,
tattoo never. Only time it hot when they catch it on the bone. On the
me
bone,
not,
it kind of hot.
me not have no
But
tattoo on the bone, but the whole of them at, the whole of them at.
I don't feel like I'm tattoo hot. The one behind me is never hot. I just the one on my hand just a little bit when they catch it on the bone, it hot.
Mm.
But indoor, last year I joke never really hot like that because outdoor, when
Mm.
me I run the prelims to the 400, my hamstring hot up again, so me never get for medal in that. Although Juco, thank you. 1 to 8 get medal, so we get that
Yeah,
8 place medal. So
yeah.
I say
I
alright then.
say Big 12 time to see me. One tweet, me not like it, but the way there.
But we don't like it, cause me know say me a come last, but me still a get a medal. So
Me not like it. Me not like
me
it
a
at
come
all,
last,
man.
but we still a get a medal. But who got South Florida now? Like at 800 me
Hold on. Why make you go South Florida? I'm never go on different school. Why make you choose South Florida?
South Florida, like me didn't figure out a different school, but then South Florida, cause Coach Henry nice. Coach Henry did a look for me from Juka. The first time I got Juka, he come up to me and like, why you make Coach Miller run so much race with you? Blah blah blah. So he did a check in for me and stuff like, he keep up with me and stuff. So me feel like say because me never get to go my other school, we just say alright, then me make it South Florida try cause I Coach Henry like
Yeah,
me have
yeah, I check
respect
for
for him
you.
or something like. Me no want to go to other school like. Sometimes you have to go where people care about you.
No, for real. For real.
Because some other school, them a text you, alright, yeah, we're gonna take care of you, blah blah blah. Then when you go there now, a different thing, different treatment they get. So when you have somebody with care about you, like check into you 24/7, like me I tell you, like when me did sign up for my school for South Florida, like me don't know, me used to stay up late. So I say them gonna do with everything in 9 o'clock in the morning. So when I get up out of my bed till like 8 o'clock in the night. Coach and you call me phone like you need to sign up for school, blah blah blah. Like me gonna make it account for you. Like he help me with everything. Like me I tell you something
Mm.
I say, me I figure your school. Me just
Yeah,
have
yeah,
like I just respect.
yeah,
Then me just choose South Florida because I Coach Henry. And I respect when he give me and I respect when me give him like he check in for me like make sure everything alright. Like a Juco, me never pass maths class but me did have to do it online. When me do it online, me do it at one different junior college. Then me I
mm.
say me I do my work, like me I do my work. Like me I say, oh this a teacher I send in them I look at your work and his school soon. Someone say it's can me never download the app for my laptop. You see you all I heard them come. So when the teacher text me I say like you're not doing no work in the class and so me I say me I do the my work and we just saying that is I said yes so me not do the
One
work.
more,
So
eh?
so she said, you have to log into this thing. So me log into the thing and me see me have work due. And the next day she said she have to put in it. Me big teacher, me email teacher, and teacher say, alright, me again until 12 o'clock, midday. So
Mm.
me say, me have to stay up whole night and do me thing. Me I say, Jano, me say to coach him, me ball, and me say, coach him, me think me I go do it, and me think me I go pass the class. Him I say, yes, you can do it. Like, he check in with me and I say, make sure you stay up on your work and think you can do it. Like, he text me later and say, Rushana, make sure you get up and do your work, do this, do that. He text
Yeah,
me, the other day he text me and say, you done your work? And I say, yes, coach. Like, in born a Jamaica, but he come up here when he the young, so like,
oh, yeah, yeah.
good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. Yankee.
yeah.
Yeah,
So, I just coach and he make me go USF. Cause I never really know nobody down there.
yeah.
But USF, I want to go school too. Although I never really know nothing about it like that. Because only school me did want to go. Like me did this school me did know. Not Erston, not that school me do want to go. But certain things just happen.
Yeah, yeah. You have to just take a different path to end up where you wind up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Real man. So how you save treat you? Cause I
Oh,
guess you really start running 4 bills for real, cause
yeah.
you get recruit for you to general run 400 meter, yo.
No, I said me did go around the 800, but when the first time coach put me in at the 400, I used to say, me have a talent for 400. And he said, alright then, I'm going to make you run the 400 at conference. Cause first time when we got USF, everything did alright, but in the fall, when we did do like down back push, with the armstring injury, my armstring did tear, grade
Yeah.
2 tear, night fall.
That's
So,
it.
me never really get fit train that good in night fall and something. So, like, 2 week after that, me I tell him man say me good be carrying now. Although me I feel like a pain, but you know we already. We not like
Yeah.
sit down out and watch people are change. You just feel like your body I go lose fitness. But you must say, come we used to do rehab, we used to do underwater treadmill and stuff. But it
Mm.
just like me just want to go on the track and run like he must say, you have to make your foot heal. So it time when they put him back out there now, my foot did that happen, but me not tell him some foot out, me no, me not tell him some foot out. But we
Mm.
still around that thing. When we go home at night time, we used to ice yo, me used to feel pain on me a little like when you turn like if you know hamstring injury, like
Yeah.
when I sleep and you turn on one of your side, that thing
Yeah,
starts
man.
stick me.
Yeah,
Me I say,
man. Yeah,
Peter,
man.
for me to me I pray to God, me I say, God, please just help me with this. Like please, cause we used to train like a USF, like in I4, we used to train like 6 o'clock.
Nah, man.
6 o'clock in the morning we used to practice.
What? Brother,
Yeah.
joke thing that, brother. Joke thing
Mm-mm.
that. Me nah.
6 o'clock in the morning we used to practice.
Yeah.
You have to wake up from 5 o'clock. You have to wake up.
Mm.
Get yourself ready. You can't come and training late. If you come and training late, you're going to the gym and you're going to push the plate.
How much plate you push up?
Oh, the boys push like 45. We push 25. Up,
Oh.
back.
Up.
Bro, that thing hard. Me not tell you like it look easy like you see like how me I say it sound easy no but when you go down by your knee you have to push it up and down then afterwards you have to go lift your gym.
Yeah. You know,
And one thing with me never like lift weights. Me never like lift weights.
I 800 man. I 800 that.
Me never like yo me used to weak me until like then I just like this year they like a USF then put me with the stronger pin because they say me strong in the but me just never like with weights. Me strong but me just not
Mm.
like me just lazy because so players we never have to lift weights like we used to go in there you have to lift you know they didn't tell us to go to gym you know but you go in there you do one thing I say man I do this you know and you sit down on the bench until your friend them come out you go
Hold
with
on.
them.
So hold on. Una win some more championship and then even them just make you go in the gym so. Can you win
Yeah,
the whole league?
some plans you just have to say like you have to make up your mind and you say okay me I go lift weights but me just go in there and do one thing and me just sit down and not lift no weights.
Mm.
We
That's
don't sit down very like so when we got Southland different because you know you have gym coach different for your normal coach and you have people around you where you watch you and you have to do it like
yeah.
you have to do it. And they set you up in a group where you know so you have to do your reps. This is when you go tell you it's your turn. They stand up there and watch you do everything you have to do. You
Yeah.
can't say me I skip this one. You can't skip
Yeah.
it like
Like a
you
military.
can't skip nothing. For real, like you go
Yeah. Yeah.
for real, like you have to do your weight. So Florida did art and stuff, and then me start training with the 48. Me start training with the. We used to mix. We used to train with like 42 people, and
Mm.
me and one other girl just did be like the 48 people because we used to run 800 and 400. And
Mm.
then coach used to make me run 800 indoor, right?
Mm.
Then he made me run 800. But in system time never I don't know what happened. Like I feel like me did I get the 800 program, I just like get like 400 program. So like 800 time never really improved because 800 me PR at 209 indoor. So it
Yeah.
never really improved. Like me
Yeah.
just around 212, 211, 212, 211. I can't even run 210. So you know if
Yeah.
I at least now run 210, that not really
Make no
now
sense.
go cut
Yeah.
it. You now go make you win because our conference like Penny Night Conference are 201, 2 this. Me I go there and me can't run like me I go come
Yeah.
last. Like me
Yeah.
not go me I go make final no, but me not go get no medal and that I go make me more upset so me not go get
Yeah.
no medal. So a Chicago you say I'm gonna make a go in at 800 in at 400.
Mm.
When we go in at 400 now, we run like 53 something. And I say alright. I don't know. In come to me, I always come to me and ask you like which event you want to run. You must say, me just asking them, me not sure if you are gonna run it, you know, me just ask you what you want to run.
Yeah.
So me I say, more only for more only for cats, 800 indoor. Not tell
Nah
like
work.
that thing hard.
Nah work.
You know,
Nah
it
work.
not gonna work and plus it hard. Like when you come online and you see you have 2 more left to go.
Brother. Brother. Hold
That
on.
thing
On do 600 down the conference. Alright. Your whole conference.
no, we not do 600.
Eh.
Mm-mm.
So I just four and eight.
Yeah. We do
Channel.
400,
Channel.
800, and then do like a longer distance and that.
That rough. That rough. Cause Big 12 and even Big 10 then does. Big 12 does 600 meter yard and Big 10 does 600 meter. It don't really matter still because you can't go nationals. But
That's why I say
yeah,
why they didn't do it, cause it don't really make no sense.
medal.
I just points still.
Yeah, points and medal. That's it.
That's why I
Points
would
and
waste
medal.
my time around 600, cause it don't make no sense.
That's true still. That's true. Yeah.
It don't really make no sense. But then we go conference, win conference, cause me going as the second favorite a conference.
Mm.
And be here run on Italian 6. Like, me just not like run on Italian 6. Come can't see
Why?
nobody. Can't see nobody.
All the
Me like
better.
no, don't call. One thing would be, I don't know. If you watch my race, then me not have a start. Like, me can't come out of the blocks none of the time. Me I walk out of the blocks. They laugh at me out of the blocks. Me I say, me don't care if they laugh at me out of the blocks because they know say when me get go, me I go.
Go. Yeah.
Like, one thing me tell everybody, you see, if you not get, you see, if me and you come down on the first lap, you make me catch up on the first lap, you know, the second lap, me I go pass you, me I go win you. Like, you have to get go on the first lap, because second lap, because you know, true, me have the 800 strength and everything, like,
Yeah.
me I go get you. So, me I
Yeah.
say, if me get in a little, like, if me get a break before them,
Yeah.
it
Done.
done for.
Done.
It done for. Me I tell him it done for. And if me hear they close, it done for. Cause me not give up. I me know say you not gonna give up. And one of we have to give up. And then no me
Yeah.
a give up. And then me a give up. Cause one thing me I go fight till the end. Me a go
Yeah,
fight
man.
till the end for
Yeah,
real. If I
man.
die, be die, but well, me a die.
You were there well in it?
No sir, but we don't want to come down to that part. Cause we don't have to do it.
Oh yeah. Not do it. Me not tell a lie. Let me ask you. When you watch 2016 Olympics? When Shani Miller
Me this
when they say she dive, you feel like a dive, she dive or just tired, she tired?
no, I locked it. Me feel like I locked it. You know when you lock and your leg them can't move.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
reach me one time I training like me leg them can't move me around. Me just still me down move. And plus the time they cool like
It's rough, man.
I
It's
locked
rough.
it.
We think I locked it too, man, but
I
it was
locked it.
funny. Then it
Yeah,
actually
guys.
to a look.
Yeah, I locked
To a
it.
look.
Bro, she couldn't move. It kind of funny for real.
Yeah, and she didn't when I alienated or something like that, so
I think I learned it for real.
yeah.
I locked it.
But I say
But
no.
well, may I say not Carfta, conference. My mistake. Conference. We did in a lane 6 and the girlie in a lane 5, but the girlie get the break before me. Then in a prelims, we win in a prelims, so in a final, me get lane 5, so me can see somebody in front of me. So
Yeah.
when me get the break before them, I leave them like them can't catch me back. Like it was like this. Was
Yeah.
like this long. So me just say, Father, me just say more I run the 400 like me just like it 400 like it 400. And then we just transfer the other year now, this year now, we just say, but if we transfer from like no, let me talk about outdoor. Outdoor did
Yeah.
alright.
Come here, say you skip past regional, so
outdoor run at home mate. When we run at home mate, we run like 52. I think a 52.8 or 52.6. Like, I never, me I running about, me just not feel my best at the time there. But me they feel like my body just, they feel just tired, just want to rest. Like, you know,
yeah.
me run 52.6. My coach that say like, he knows say me can run faster time than that. But me know say myself could run faster than that because indoor, if you run 52.9, you know, outdoor you're not fair run the same time. Like,
None
you know
at
what I
all.
mean?
Yeah.
So, we just didn't know where I said, coach, I said, me know say me can run faster than. Me know say me can run faster than that. Me just still feel disappointed in myself, but me say me not beat up myself because remember when we used to beat up myself, like, it don't really make no sense, does it? So me just say, simple things me have to just work on, like, go out training and work more hard and stuff.
Yeah.
Cause one thing with them can't tell you with Rushana, like, me I go work hard. Me no care if you give me 4,300, me I go run all of them faster than what the time where you give me. You can't ask me, coach, like, me I go run faster than the time where you give me. Like,
So what that for? What you prove?
I'm not prove nothing, but you know when your body just feel like if you give one time and you run in time, like you know how your body just feel like you can do more. Like me just want to push my body to the limit there. When the time come, if you give it like 38. Probably may run 38, but cause he never give it 38. He always give it like 40, but me go run 38 or 39.
You're strong then, man.
Yeah.
Like you had to repeat 38 that fast.
Yeah, but me I tell you, it's just like how me set up my body. Me just want to push it to a limit. Me just want to feel it, cause when going in a race, me don't want to feel like tired. You
Yeah.
gonna feel tired now. One thing you gonna feel lactic. If you run slow, you gonna feel lactic. If you run fast, you gonna feel it. So you better you just go fast. But
True.
yeah,
True. True.
just that me tell myself. Me I say better you just go fast and just make it done.
True. Yeah, preach
So
still. Yeah, preach. I really talk. Yeah, talk. Yeah, and I lactic worse when I lose. 'Cause you know, say you can do better. And you don't know, you say, Jano. You see me?
so we some come to that department, but then after that, now we go Florida earlier. We run 52-3 broke your record. Me I say alright then my time I good on now. So we
Yeah.
feel alright. When we do Florida earlier, me I run like me feel alright. Me feel like me I do something like me just feel good cause like me get a good start. Me start never that good but me get a start. They used to
Yeah.
never say you say you get a good start. Me know when I say you know probably think me to get a start but me know how me used to run out of the block like me used to just step out of the blocks. If you watch it, like me just step out of the block, they must say
I
me don't
start
know
run.
yeah, they must say me don't know oh you run 52 and you just step out of the blocks. They say if me get me block starts good, everything alright. But me I think you see with 400 you know have to have a good block start because block start not really win race.
True.
Only in a 100 and probably 200 you have to have a good black start. But in a 400 you have to really have a good black start. Because black starts
True.
no win race.
No.
Probably shorter distance and you can have a good black start. But me I say, me don't really need a good black start. As long as me come out and me run a mile and I'm growing and me win, me alright. me alright.
True. True.
Me not busy about no else. As long as me come out and me growing a mile and I'm win, me good. And me run a good day. And me run a decent time, can make it,
Yeah.
me good. But then when we go say you go like chat me then we are run good afterwards. When you want me now you make me run the four by four kind saying that gonna make me run now. In gonna make me run 800 then he asked me what me wanna run. But never wanna run 800 cause through me run 400 for a season and me I get like 400 training and stuff. Like me never feel like me have the 800 strength to go run 800 cause if me run 800 probably go run the first lap too hard and then me lock on the back stretch.
Yeah.
So he make me
Embarrassing.
run yeah. I mean like them they excited about me. I mean like them they excited about me. But he make me run the four by four. When we run the 4x4, they say the time never right, but me know say when I'm coach them say time right, but the head coach say time never right. Cause they say me split 50 on the 4x4 cause me did run the first leg.
Yeah.
But me feel like me split 50, but them say time never right. So me just say alright, the time never right.
Me I take 50. Yeah. Me I take 50.
But say time never right, so we just say alright, the time never right. Then when we got a conference outdoor, everything just did easy. Me not telling lie, it just did feel easy to me. Me run 52-1. It just did feel
Easy.
easy. It just did feel like another training.
Yeah.
It just did like if you see how me win the race, it just feel easy, like just easy. The same way me just take time go run when me say me easy.
Yeah.
Run I think you run me tell you how me run so easy me run 52. I think it was 52-9 or something. I remember.
Mm.
And then in I find me run 52-1. Then when we got regionals now me I say alright. This is a big thing me I feel second long and me I feel make
Make
me
this
make
up.
up my mind say me want to run hard.
Mm.
Me I say alright. When we go you know me I say me not worry about nobody. Tunnel vision. Me not worry about nobody in my race. Me not care about nobody. Me not care who want fast. Me not care who want come in here with 40 and me not care who come in here with 50.51. Me not care about nobody like because I said to myself I say me have to make it like me. Have to make it.
Mm.
I don't know if we put too much pressure on myself because sometimes when you put too much pressure on yourself and you have yourself like a high standard say you have to do this, have to do that. Like sometimes it can mess with you.
True.
So like when we go out, me I run. Me run me PB in a like a first round.
Qualifier.
Yeah, me I said Janu come third. Me I said third me come so me have tomorrow for run again. So me say
Yeah.
alright then.
Which
So
lane I get in the
tomorrow
final?
eh?
Which lane I get in the final? I probably get a lane 3.
No, lane 4 me they get.
And you come third?
Yeah, lane 4 me they get.
Eh. I think
Regional,
me no see original, but me think say car hold on, preferred lane not lane 6.
lane 6 and 5 me think.
So well I guess
Lane 4 me
hey
no. Probably they just didn't like me.
yeah. more bread for your butter. Me a butter for your bread.
I can say, for real.
That's all.
We did sort of. Me feel like we did sort of actually, like,
Mm.
you know. So when we go down regionals lane for now. Me I say alright. Me get like the commentator say Rushana get the best start. Me get first me ever get a good start. Like his start was so it was excellent. Because everybody has do you know yeah, first time see you get that so me say if everybody had talk about this start, good dead. So me I say we get this start when me company backstretch. Like, you know, anybody not used to something when me company backstretch, me I running up but like my body just slow down, like a big brick wall in my face, so it just
Yeah.
boom. So I say, what do you say? Like me, I running about me just nah move. Like me don't know if me get out too fast or something. Me just nah move like how me want to move. When I come on the home stretch, me I pump my arms, me I run fast. Me just nah move.
That's
Me
a
feel so
reverse.
yeah. Me I say boom. Me tell myself say me can't come last. You know, me can't come last. Like so, what people next time to become last? So we think me they come like fifth. I think I fifth me they come.
Yeah.
And guess what? Me run back me CMPB. So me know say something must have gone like me can't run back the same time. Just run back his time, see back and back and. I
And
said
if
no.
your hamstring or nothing.
No, like my hamstring just did alright. Like me not feel no pain. That's not me I say me feel good. Like me feel like me can make it. Like me
Yeah.
just did feel good. But just when me a warm up, me feel good. Like me I say alright, me I go and we just don't know what happens. Sometimes your body just say alright. That.
Yeah, true.
Like I don't
True.
know what happened. Like just panic back shots me feel like say one brick wall just coming on my face and boom. Just me I run like you know when somebody have something on their waist and yeah I run but
Yeah.
you can't like me I pump my arms you know like you're forced to see somebody I pump their arms and back stretch and I come
And
like me I
nothing.
pump my arms and weird and I back stretch and I come and me just now move like me get a good start like during the lane 5 me cover up on the back stretch but when the brick wall come on my face now, I saw me go back. Like, everybody
Shadow.
just gone. And you know, when you are on a race, when you see somebody in a lane 3 catch up you already, you know, say you go slow down.
Yeah.
I said,
Yeah.
Jano.
Yeah.
I said, Jano. And I said, oh God, when I come off, I'm go sit down with them, I have to cry. And then same time, my boyfriend come and I say, what do you have stuff? And me I tell him, say, like, me don't know what do me like. We just did it. I'm sit down there and me I say, you me not go just go run a 4x4 in a car. So me just mess up my race and me don't care about it. Like, you know, when me I be selfish in that moment there. But then when I come back to my senses and I say, like, we can't be so selfish because the team, they might wait for me and they might depend on me. And we don't know if we can go there and just run something and make it. And
True.
we going there with a third fastest time. We should have make it like we don't know what happened, but sometimes I just when I hear time. That's why I'm not really
Yeah.
question God. When I just hear time.
Your time. True.
So we just never
Couldn't get it on the
go out
day.
there. We go out there. The first leg, she run good enough, but it just like never her best. Like we feel like coach should have just make she do something over because she never run no individual events. So I feel like coach should have make she go out there and do some training or something to make her.
So it flat then, man. She did flatter going. Oh.
Yes,
Rookie
like she
mistake
sit on
on
the
the court
whole.
still.
Yeah, she does sit down the whole time. So she never she when we do shakeout, she do shakeout at the day there. But me I say give her like 150 to do
You know
just
what you mean? Yeah, me know what you mean, man. Just
yeah,
wake up.
cause everybody pan really they run like the interval event, but she alone never run the interval event. So she give we a start, but in never her
Yeah.
best. Cause you know when somebody can do something, yeah, I say Jano. Second leg, she running but it just like she run, but you know when you can't yeah do it, but you just can't do too much. She run, me
Yeah.
not telling like she run out her all. Then third leg she carried the middle pan the ankle leg. I run. But the same thing, me run me PV, me I say, John, something wrong with me. Curious, I'm running the exact same time.
Same
Like,
time.
what the fuck?
Shadow
Like,
style.
what go on? What the fuck go on? Just like, I don't know. And then me this time I go a Jamaica trials. It just like when everything just happened, just say, yo, me not gonna win.
Yeah.
Me not gonna go because if me run such a slow time, you know make sense. Me go down there probably run all 53. It makes sense. Me slow.
No,
You
me
know
see
make
what you
sense.
say.
You know make sense. Me go down there and done me season with that slower time. You know make no sense. I'm just say you know what. Me not go down there. Me just go Miami with my friend. I will go pan.
Go on the yacht and go party.
No, we just think about dirt bike and enjoy we silver thing and go a
Oh.
party. We And me say me not come did that good like in my head me I say alright if me go original and me do good cut me have everything planned out say summer me just I go good on and see if me can make it team like everything me have everything planned out for real like me I go buy me ticket after original and say me a good on like but then original just mash up my plan just
Yeah. I
break me
understand, man.
mates
I understand,
break
man.
me mates
Yeah.
real bad
I understand, guy.
original real
Regardless of how
break
really I go on, yo, girl, in my yard, they run fast, man.
they
They show
run
up.
fast
They
for
run
real
fast.
like
They
me
show up.
probably would have come last and
No, you wouldn't
I'm
come
still
last. No, you wouldn't come last.
them are right for real. Cause
Yeah.
when it come on to them the time they at them the time they say real talent.
Yo, trials are different beast still, no, man. Me, I tell you, you know.
For real.
Different beast, yo.
At them the time they run fast, me not telling like
Mm-hmm.
just something my yard.
Yeah. Yeah. I breeze, man. I
I breathe
breeze.
for real.
I
That's why
breeze, man.
so me say more go back down there and run.
Yeah,
Just
man.
a breeze and just like it just different. Cause you know when you grow up down there, you run down there and your baby just different.
Yeah.
Up there so
Yes, man.
first time we come up with time we run outdoor and the time cold like my chest just a, like everybody have
Like
to
you
go.
taste blood, don't?
Yeah, me I said,
Yo.
me said, no, sir, me
Jesus.
can't manage this. Me I said to
Yo.
myself, me said to myself, me can't manage this. This me can't get used to this life. And that's one of the reason why me go a South Florida too, you know, because it remind me of home and the weather. And me say,
Yeah.
alright, me I guess I'll do a South Florida get cold too, you know. The rock,
Eh?
it get cold like November. It get cold because me don't know. Coach say it,
November?
yeah, November it get cold. It cold so till me have to me thick jacket and plus me have to have on another jacket plus me have to have on me gloves. Me I say Jano. Me have to have on me
In
beanie.
a
Me I say
November?
Jano, no sir. November I get cold.
Chano.
November I get cold and like look a bit in December I get cold. It get cold for real. And what year when they said cold front was coming out, it get real cold them the time. And I said, Jano, I couldn't fly
Yeah.
that me day.
Yo,
Me
me see
say I
some
couldn't fly that me day.
me see some video of me I say, yo, Jano, me sorry for them, cause they don't know what to do. They don't have a clue what go on. They don't have a clue what go on down there, yo.
Yo, it
Chano.
get cold for real. Me not telling lie.
So when I dip on the dirt bike, you say, yo, you know me I just left here, man.
But just say, me not go down. Me not go down.
Yeah.
But just, no, what you thought? Like when me say me I left South Florida.
Eh.
Oh, in a summer, like in a summer when my boyfriend did a transfer back coming to old school.
Yeah.
We did one go from Juco, we did say we want to go same school, like you know, are your
Yeah.
partners still so you know say you guys want to go everywhere together, you don't want to be long distance because we are doing long distance long time long distance kind of hardish. But
Kinda. Long distance hard, brother.
hard, yeah, but just make up your mind say you
Yeah.
want to.
Hard.
So like me just say probably me just want cause don't stuff like me not telling you, it's nice and everything, but sometimes you just want like your own person, you want family around you, like you're there far from
Yeah.
everybody, like you just stay by yourself, like you just know it worth it, you know, but sometimes you don't worth it, like you just
Yeah.
want somebody close to you, you want help, you want this, you want that, you know. So we
Yeah.
just say like we did a talk about it and then we say you must say, you know, feel like you want transfer and stuff. Me I say, long time me feel like me want transfer book up yourself, but me just a wait, like you know what I mean? Like it was a hard decision. So me I say, let me think about it. Me have to think about it. Like me no want, cause one thing with me, you see one thing with me, me no like disappoint people. Like me no like come to you and tell you certain thing. Me no like that's all me stay. Like me no like disappoint people. Like me hard for me come to you and just tell you the truth. Like it just hard for me come to you. Cause me know me I say, Jano, you go feel away. It just gonna make me feel like a bad person or something.
Mm.
So like when me did for transfer now. Me I say, you know how long it take me to tell coach and say me a transfer. Like me just never want to disappoint him because I know how him I go feel like. You just have to break
Yeah.
him. January I go break my heart. Me go a training every day, bro. But you know when you have something on your mind and you know say you go do something like you can't focus on that training, you run, but you still there on your mind. Every time you see them like you just feel guilty. But I
Yeah.
don't feel guilty because enough other people transfer. Me know say people transfer from this school, that school, like how they feel say so. Like everybody I tell me like you don't have to feel the way where you feel, you just do it, like it will benefit
Yeah.
you and you know what good for you. If you know good for you, you want to transfer. So me I say, Jano, me no
That's
know, you
true.
know. Me I say to myself, me I say,
Yeah.
Jano, me no know, like me just I think about it every night. Me I say, Jano, I wonder what them I go say. Wonder what them I say about me behind me back or something. But that one of my reason. Me don't fall. Cause me always I think about what people are say behind my back. Sometimes you just have to say that fuck them, you know. I'm not care what nobody want
You,
to say
but
about me.
you can't read minds, so like, where I miss that? Yeah, that means too deep, yo. That
I,
means way too deep.
See, I saw my friend them tell me I say you can't meds like that because you don't know if them gonna say something good or just explain to them and tell them like just be
Yeah.
straight up to them. So me I say alright. One day before the portal closed, me I said, Jano, me have to text him, you know.
One day.
Me have to text him. Yeah, no, when the portal opened up, me need to text him long time now. Cause me I say me make up my mind and I say me want to go, but me don't want to disappoint coach any. Cause me don't make up my mind say me I go cut already. Like, me just have a cut. Like, me not care. Me just have a cut. Cause certain things that happen down there, like, it just too much things. Like, me name did a call up too much. Like, too much things. Funny team. The team did alright, you know. Because don't get me wrong, the team I want good team. But
Yeah.
certain people just mix up and they make you feel like you're the bad person.
Yeah.
And like if people get to know me nobody know. Me I want like nice little girl. Me I want nice little girl for me not talk. If you not talk to me, me not go talk to you. And when you get to talk to me, you go see how me talk too much. Like you know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, just like when you say, oh, you're not gonna talk much and look over there right now. So, me know what I mean.
Yeah, like if you get used to you, I go talk to you. But it's just like the team did alright. I want a nice little team. Like if you like family, but now Western more feel like more family to me.
Yeah.
But everything they alright. So the day before for going I put on home text coach Henry. Yo, my friend. Yeah, put me forward if I do that. This term I put you.
The silent intakes.
When we said that, we fling me phone over to him. I said, what can I eat? Like, we fling me phone over so I start screaming. I said, what can I, why me I scream? Like, lose me when I so I start screaming. So, look funny now, you must say. You must say, and they feel like something this, that got hot, man. Something I say, no, coach, like, you know, like, me have personal issue or things like me I make you know what I'm going because me trust you so me I go tell you like why me I transfer and stuff. You're the only one me I tell so me not expect for hear about my business nowhere else because me trust you. I said myself, Jano, like if me not feel like me can stay so like second chance and stuff blah 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 would say myself I say like enough things to encourage me to stay and in my try convince me to stay but me don't make when you make up your mind about something already you're not gonna really change it. So me just say me not change my mind, you know. So indeed that takes me silent message so me can't see message like until like like me not see message so me wake up in the morning me I see message me I say Jano me hate when people text me too much like bro. Me not say my beg me but probably you just want the best to me like me just hate when people text me too much cause it just
Kind
get
of
me.
annoying. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Man?
it just
I know what I
annoying
mean.
for real. Like, bro, if you actually tell us say she got it, just say okay then. What
Yeah,
best for you?
alright. You see, thing is, it's rough, you know, because, alright, look on it this way. You don't come like say, oh, you have somebody there. You see me? Not saying, give me just an example, you have somebody
Yeah.
there, and you invest so much time in them, and you see potential, and then she tell us, say, yo, it's not work out. What? What you mean? What you mean it's not work out? You see me?
Get your ego.
Yeah. Yeah, man. And
What?
say, yo, she a best girl, and then she want left. You mad, brother. You
No,
mad.
but Coach Henry, I want a good coach. Although he was not my coach, but he want a good coach because he always a checking for me and everything. Because we tell you for the thing when we text him, I say, Coach Henry, me have something to tell you. He must say, well, you have to tell me. You want me to come beat up somebody to me start laughing? Yeah, things like you want to come in as well. When I say no coach, then we say my long paragraph. So when we say my long paragraph, don't put one man, do not disturb. I just do this silence and spring when we But coach any I want a nice coach though.
Yeah.
And then in text me last time if it takes the head coach, so text the head coach. He never texts back until the other day. Although we don't have that the relationship there, but sometimes you just have to respect your athlete. If you see the message, you text back and say, alright, everything good.
Yeah.
But he just did text back and say, I might even remember when he text back. I never replied to your message. I never open the message neither. But no.
That do the same thing to me. Not gonna lie. I do the same thing.
We just can't bother. We just can't bother to say something is and then something is and then it go longer. And I just can't bother. Just say one thing and it done. And then transfer come and not Western. Everything did alright. down there they have like nice talented 400 down on South Florida. They have
Yeah.
talented picnic. They just it's just like some of them if they just make up their mind and say them a go run and don't follow certain friends, they will
Yeah.
run. Not
Yeah.
telling lie. Because my friend when him turn, she talented for she run 2-4. I
Mm.
do let me tell you, one thing with her, she a go run out. She no care if she bust or not, she just a go run. Like you can't depend on she for run. Like you don't have
Yeah.
to worry about no else, she a go run, she a go run.
Yeah.
Not tell like she a go run. She don't care about that. She a go run. But I
Mm.
don't know if you know Chevar.
Yeah, me know Shiva.
Chevar, yeah, I'm girlfriend that. Like me and
Oh,
them play.
they just get married. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
it
yeah,
it two of them run alike. You see how Chevron run like Chevron run and you know care but no him a go
yeah,
run. You know care if
yeah,
you're fastest man in a race, him a go run. I see him so terrain run. But this season she just like get little injured and stuff. That's why she not really perform like how she want to perform. But me know say by
mm,
indoor she go get back up there.
yeah. By
But
outdoor.
yeah, outdoor, sorry,
Yeah, yeah,
outdoor
yeah,
she go get back up there. But they
yeah,
have so Florida have talented athlete. They just have to
yeah,
just trust the training and just run. Cause look, if me never trust the training, probably run around 52.
yeah.
Like you know what I mean?
Yes,
You
the
just
thing
have to
is though.
trust the training and not really listen when nobody else have to say. Like
Yeah,
some people, some things work for them. Some people, some things don't work for them. That's why I say me not really cause nobody. If you say this a training not work for you, just try talk to your coach and see if he can like change up a little bit for you.
yeah,
But when we transfer come on not Western, no. When we come first, me I say, Jano, kind of nervous, like, you know, nobody put it in. Although me didn't know, like, some of my Jamaican put like, Dishan, me know some of Kiante friend them, like, it did alright, like, we never really know nobody, and me just kind of shy.
yeah.
So when me see say everybody just talk to everybody like they know me for 5 year time,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
they just friendly like me. I said, Jono, this is one nice thing, like like everybody just feel like family, like you know what I mean. They just welcome you
yeah.
with they welcome you with open arms, like they not really do certain things. Like South Florida, everybody not gonna be friends, like. Them a nice thing, they trade for everybody. But some people over that side, some people like yeah, so everybody just stay one place. Them a
Oh,
calling him like you know them from 5 year time. Nobody now act like
yeah. Them bigger
everybody
than
just
nobody else.
yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it's a
yeah.
nice thing. Cause when we come first, everybody say, "Hey, Rushana, this that." Uh, one of the figure what we really like is her name is Lay. She really nice. Like she just nice. Like she just feel she like she know me from 5 year time.
She
She's like, "Hey,
American.
Rushana, yeah, she
Mm.
nice. I ain't gonna lie, she really nice."
Nice, nice.
And then Select get close. She want Jamaican girl
Mm.
get close and everything. So, but not Western. When we come first, we that run cause with that train, we are training in December.
Yeah.
Everything the alright. But when we start training in a January now, tell coach say my hamstring did have me back. I don't know what happened to my hamstring. Every time we feel like to make it faster, like my hamstring just start
That
hot
that
up
are
back
with
like
that are with everybody. I mean, like as long as I get fast, you might get hurt. I just say you go. The slower you be, the healthier you are. It's a weird thing, but I just the truth. I
I
just the
feel
truth,
like,
though. Yeah,
like we just like get because so far that we do speed things, but when gears so we start do more speed work. Like 2 years are like fast school, we do speed work and
yeah.
stuff like hamstring just start get hotter. So one time we did a black start now. Me I
Mm.
do them good enough. Second black start me do. Run out and everything, then me just pull up my hamstring. Start
Mm.
hot, bro. It just grabbed me so me I said, General, start crying. Come I said, fuck. Same thing again, like
Mm.
over again. Me I said, General. We can't by the way this I just over and over again. But then Miss Emily take care of me, do me exercise, do this, do that. Coach check up on me. That's one thing with coach. Me I tell you, he might go check up on you 24/7. Might go ask if you're alright. If you need
Yeah,
no this, that, like before me come here, so I remember say him and Keontae used to close so me used to know him and stuff, so you know what I mean?
yeah. You know,
Cause
show me
first time when
vibes,
we come
man.
down here still first time when me in a Juco and me come down, he must say, why every time you coming down here I could have give you a visit and stuff like, you know. He could
Yeah.
have paid me visit we come down here.
Mm.
So, you know, I want a nice little coach, Coach Adam. He's a nice coach.
Him cool, man. Cool, man.
Yeah,
Cause I'm gonna tell you some reach out to you, man. The man does basically just open the gates and tell me, you see me? Everything me ask him, he answer and then he give me some more. You see me? I tell you.
yeah,
I'm cool, man. Cool.
yeah. So they hurt my hamstring. They won't come back now. Me do. He never really made me run. Now. He say he just want me do. What me they do? Figure a Texas stick. Cause me never really train figure a Texas stick.
Yeah.
I mean, cause when we run Arkansas, me they hurt the Arkansas. Me just did run 800.
Mm,
I may run 212. I think it's 212. I broke his school record. His school record at 213. So
easy money. Easy
easy money.
money.
I become second to last, and I'm like, who is the rest? Now second to last become. But me tell myself me not come last.
Oh my gosh.
So I never really train. Me never really a train because my hamstring they hurt. So me never really a train. So that's why me say me know say me talented. You just like me just have to put in the work. Like me just have to
Yeah.
believe in myself. I don't be believing in myself, but sometimes you doubt yourself. But me need
Yeah.
to stop. But then when we got Texas Tech, we do two curves. Cause he saying want to see how me look. He saying like give me three, but when we do two, I see it me look good here. Me not get no more, no
Yeah.
more, no more, no more. Take off your spice.
Yeah.
So take off stakes. Got Texas Tech, but they are Texas Tech now. One more for the 400. Do the 400 now. When me do the 400, like me start out there blocks. Me don't know why me think me hear somebody say faster. Slow down a little bit,
Uh,
Slow down.
I look around.
So I could be that look right. So we see Texas Tech girls still around. So we run out.
Mm.
So we still run 53 0 something, I think. But when we look on them, we see they have 53 1. So I say,
And
So
altitude. And altitude too. Yeah. So
yeah.
yeah.
So we just say, alright. Me never feel when me run 53, me never feel good with my time. Call me and say, Jano, me should I run 52 then the time they like that beat up myself a little bit. But me I say, Jano, me cause
Yeah.
I for myself, if me never slow down, probably would have run 52. So me I say, I just one of the end there. So next day I come we run the 400, me split 51, 2 upon him. I say, Jano,
Yeah.
me feel ready, like me not feel no pain on my hamstring, like everything alright. But after we come from Texas Tech, my another hamstring started hurt me and my quad hurt out back again. And I said, boom, bad. I woke up, what is for me, lad?
Yeah.
What is for me, like, then me tell coach say, he might go make me sit out a little bit, cause, want me get hurt for going to a championship. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know, he want me healthy for outdoor, cause indoor are not really that. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah. Not that important.
So, yeah. So, he made me sit out a little bit. Me did run like, me did a run on 300. When me run 300 now, me start feel like, so when me I walk, me feel it. So me I say, John, me can't run. Because me feel like my foot dead. Like, my hamstring hurt, my quad hurt, me feel like my foot dead. My groin start hurt me. I say, what is for me? So me tell coach saying, you know, go make me do 250. So me never do no training for that day. Week then. Me just did I do like exercise and things. So me I say, alright. So we got a championship. Remember, say me not training, so me I say, John,
So how long
just
now?
I go
About
there.
2 week, two week in a train,
No,
basically.
we just train for no 1 week, and then
Mm.
the day before we got a championship. Now he made me do say it would have been like 120, not even 120. Like he just made me run off a curve in a straight this one, and then he
Yeah.
said we just carry you to the finish line. I don't
Yeah.
really 120, but
Yeah. Yeah.
he made me do like four that, and he said, "All right, you still look good." you
Yeah.
just you just pray for me run the track, but I tell you,
I mean,
he
save it.
just
Save it,
yeah.
boy. Yeah.
Someone else I'm go a championship. That's why I feel like we could have run faster if we never really sit out them the time they. Cause when you
Mm.
sit out, your body like.
Yes, or
So
it could have been worse still, isn't it? Cause you never know, you might get kind of like a beat up and go in a championship, isn't it? So,
I true.
yeah, I really know, boy.
So
Take it for it is.
for real. But when we go in a championship now, first when we run a prelim, everything they are hurt. Me and the girl book up together again. Book up together. Cause me I say
Chacha.
no, I'm not fast still. Cause me I say General. Cause when me come off it, like a girl. Cause at first somebody ever take me down on the back stretch. Although me can't start out at blocks, when the
Mm.
girl take me down on the back stretch, me I say, Jano, me not run. Me not
Mm.
run like me not run like me not run like me not run. So me pick it up a little bit. get a break, the girl get the break before me. So me see inside me, I said, you know, me can't go on the outside, that's why you know me nah go on the outside. Like
Yeah.
me now waste up my strength go on the outside. Probably to waste up so much strength to go catch her back up. Me don't want to waste up my strength on the outside. So me take it inside, the two of we buck up together, go down. She passed me back. She passed me back on the back stretch. So when we come on the curb now, on the home stretch, me just pass her when me hit everything, alright, guy, fine, I'm gonna get lane 5 now. I say, alright then. My
Love that lane there.
yeah, my lane
Love that
this.
lane there, yeah.
My lane this. So we have to run at everything. So we run. We must say me and her they like this in a final. Me I say, alright, me start out good at everything because if she know there in front of me so much that means say me start good. That me tell people. You see me start out good. And me a good on me, I go get a break before you. If me get a break before you, me I go good. Me not care if you're faster than me, if two of we go fight good on.
Yeah.
So we get a break before and everything alright. When we come on the home stretch now. Me tell us that my body did, my belly did happen. Like me never feel good. Like me I run with full speed, you know. Me I run, you know. Me not just me I run with full speed. Me wouldn't say that I'm a full speed, but me I run. When we come on the home stretch now, me don't know where girl that come on me inside. Me almost finish now. The girl lick me on my head and me drop on the field, you know.
What?
But me, she say I don't literally but she had go over so but she girl lick me on my head and me say when I get up me have a headache. I say, what me get this a headache from me? I couldn't run so fast. Like if you watch it like they have it by Instagram. Me I say everybody, my mother text me, I say, oh you make a girl licking the head so my sister text me, oh you make a girl licking the head so like everybody me I say she say I not like she really lick me on she head. I just hold she hand flick over. So me I say me not really pay that no mind. Like long as me win my race and you know do nothing for me lose.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
take me lick and come. Just take me lick and come. Me will hold you again.
True.
But we just take me lick and gone and then the 400 no the 4x4. We win the 4x4 run like 340 something. That I know the fastest time, you know. Cause we
Yeah.
run 3 I think it was 332 or 333. One of them.
Yeah.
That was yeah.
So all that time it just so much slower.
Probably but remember say everybody do so much race. So
Yeah,
everybody
true.
like kinda tired.
Yeah.
And Margaret started out good. You can't say she tired, but she really run. And
Yeah.
then skinny run. Then Dickie really run. Then I just bring it home.
Yeah.
I know, long as you give me the ball, anyway, if you give me the ball in the first, you will get it back in the first. If you give me in the last, me I go try catch up to them.
Yeah, but
Because
me not finish last.
me not finish last. Because Texas Tech, the first meet where we go when we run the really, me they get it back and look a bit down. Then me running on me run, can me run 52-1. I'm run, but it's just like you know when somebody that's so far from you, you have to use up all your strength to catch them back. When you catch them
Yeah.
back up, them up at top them have for them strength up now. So when you
Yeah,
catch
them-
them back up, it's hard. Them a kick and you kick it just nothing in your
Yeah.
kick.
Yeah.
So
No, you mean man. So you run a
Texas
200 and
outdoor course say it was a
oh,
secret, but me just
oh.
I go say.
Sorry.
I'm joking, no secret.
Sorry.
And a secret. But me I go homie, me I go try run 20. I never run 20 there. This is my first
Never?
20, so never. Over
Chicha.
training, never run 200.
So you feel like you
So
can run?
probably 123 something. Not too much. Probably
Lower 23 lower high.
probably high. Probably I
23
don't know.
something. 23 something.
Probably 23, 7 or 6. No more.
I give you 5 or 4, yeah, man. Just for extra boost. Just for extra
Yeah,
boost.
yeah. But I feel like I can run 23 though. I feel like I can run 23, not 24, but I feel like I can run 23. If I
Yeah.
put my mind to it, get a nice start with that blocks. Come
Yeah.
have a 400 strength already and a 800 strength, so
Yeah. So
feel like me can.
you still train for 800?
No, not really, because me not really run the 800 again,
It
so
again.
coach just let me train for
Okay.
the 400. But me still, like, on Sunday, me still do me little jogging and stuff. Because, you know, yeah, 800 build me for 400, so me have to do certain things where it build
True.
me.
Yeah. 'Cause
So me still do it.
You don't want training feel too easy.
Me
Yeah.
don't want,
That's
me not
true.
like nothing feel too easy for real. Me
That's
just,
true.
me like challenge myself. I just, I'm still like, like challenge myself. I mean, like when we are training, everybody just run hard. Like we don't want nobody like one thing me hate when me I run everything and then last rep somebody just come and start run fast. Like bro, this is the last rep. We are run so fucking
Yeah,
fast. So
yeah,
we do.
yeah.
For example, if we do four already, yeah, come pan the last one if we come run fast. Like that don't make no sense. How that I go benefit you?
Exactly. Exactly. You
That me
want to
always
play a hero.
that me always tell him, me I tell him, better you just run a whole lot and the last one, if you're tired, you just tired, you know, so you get a good training. You know, if you depend on the last one and you can run fast and then you say, we could have run fast and I'm like, bro, we are save up your energy for like
True.
just run like bro. That's why me I say when people don't perform at meet and they wonder why they don't perform, like bro, the training bill you for trap meet, like come
True.
on.
True.
Not really trap meet, but the championship.
Yeah, I know what you mean,
They-
man. So
yeah.
you're a captain for your team. 'Cause
No.
you sound like a leader. You
No.
sound exactly like a leader.
And then everybody said, but no, sir. Me too shy for me while lead up because we're afraid to
Well,
talk to people.
you can't lead by example.
That's true still.
Yeah.
That's
Can't lead.
true. Can't live by example, but probably me too shy, me too kind of shy for talk to people. I just know me can get for talk up to people. Probably through the person with me I talk to, like really talkative and friendly, and
Yeah.
like American they really like.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I
Oh,
know what I
come
mean.
like you just a rub off bomb if you talk up to people. You can't ask good. We don't really talk like that, so we start talk up to people and things.
Yeah. I think myself,
But
I even, when I think my tell me says that, like, you might feel like, tailor your practice because you can't like give too much. Think you can't give a little bit. So I feel like find like a medium for you. It's
yeah,
really
come in. If coach say he might give me this message, okay then coach, I just run like me not gonna say this and that because we just feel like say you feel know what you feel give me like that way there.
yeah,
But
yeah.
sometimes you need to just talk to coach and be like, yeah, that's how me I try blocking on myself, but he just like, all right, coach, make one girl run 51, so him know what him a do. Me not really send out
Mm,
because if I did normal coach, I could have said, Jano, coach, say this not work for me, but it a work for me, so
true.
I really
Yeah, win.
have nothing to
Yeah, win.
say.
Yeah. So,
Me-
hold on.
but
It belt tie trophy or on just get like,
then just give it that, cause when we see fresh now come, I say this is my first time. I say, what are this? So then give it the belt with this and then say, no, you just take picture with this. I'm sorry.
ah,
That thing heavy, me only want to have that. But that just put you up in a move and a movie. Because it heavy for real. Like, me put
yeah.
it it's so heavy.
I think
Probably
I
a
get.
week, the way.
No, I know weak, you're weak. I know weak, you're weak. Yeah. You run strong, so you're not weak. You run strong.
And that they
You run really
say,
strong. Yeah.
mm,
Yeah, you can't see 800 now, yeah, man. But I really want to see that 200 time. I mean, I tell you, like,
more running
big man
200. I
thing.
hope. Me
Big
run I
man.
hold me. Me go run fast there.
Yeah, true, true, true. So you ever try like a bills? Or that too
Oh
fast?
no, that too fast. That is too fast.
Yeah.
Probably if me run, me not go run slower. But probably if me run it, if me make up my mind, cause we get better. Me have better speed now. Me not telling lie.
Yeah.
Like me have speed now more than back then. Back then me have speed, but now come like me have
Fast.
more. Yeah,
Yeah,
fast.
fast, boy.
me
Yeah.
have me have more speed. So probably would I run like 1:11:09.
Mm. One more is we're going to see our crafter trials. You about crafter trials? Commonwealth trials?
Yes.
Yeah.
If cause me know say me go run fast this season, can me feel my body feel like it go run fast. Cause
Yeah.
training not get easy. Like when your body fast and you just do the reps them, like you not feel like tired like how you used to feel. So say your body get fast.
Yeah.
Feel like me
Yeah.
go run a fast time outdoor.
Yeah, man.
No feel me know say me go run a fast time outdoor.
Me not go tell
Believe
you
in
what time.
himself.
Me not go tell you what time coach tell me say he see her go down, but I really talk one fast time, man. Yeah.
Coach always say that.
Yeah. I mean, they know, you know. You see, think about coaching, me not like, they so delusional, but God know, more while ain't right.
Yeah,
More while ain't right, yo. Big man thing. Cause I them a see it, you know, cause I must say, we just a train now. We just feel lactic in our body, you know, but them actually a see how we look. You see
that's
me?
true still.
Yeah.
And everybody say we look good, so nigga run a fast time. I feel like I'm gonna run a fast time.
Look good, feel good, run good. You see me? I
Yeah.
just say go. Say go, yo. So, any advice for your younger self?
For me younger self, I would just say I should have believed in myself and like but then probably if me did take it training serious, but then probably no would have probably run 400 more than 800, but 800 was just okay. But by then would I say like just believe in myself, stay disciplined because sometimes I never disciplined, I ain't gonna lie. But
Yeah.
stay disciplined. And like advice with nobody, I would just say like stay disciplined, listen to your coach. Sometimes your coach I tell you the right thing, but you feel like he might tell you the wrong thing. You go say somebody probably over this. I tell you what to do, and but I know your coach. But just listen to your coach, cause him always know what best for you. He
Yeah.
not gonna give you nothing where go kill you or anything. Sometimes you feel like it go kill you, but that's something where go help you.
Yeah.
Cause,
True.
cause me I tell you, sometimes I see coach like not like this coach right now, no, like software and
Mm.
stuff like and give me some training. I said, General, you might give me them a training here for like. But when you're running, everything alright, your body feel alright. I said, General, yeah, coach, know what I do. Like just stay disciplined, do what you have to do, and don't follow bad company. Cause sometimes your friend them where you think of your friend them and your friend
And your
them.
friend them. Yeah. Yeah. So hold on, let me ask you, why worst workout you ever get so guys? So when you go through some turbo one, what we see boy you tell us something. You tell me say you like 1500, I know you are on 400. So you don't understand that at
I
all.
feel like the worst workout me ever get at high school. Like nothing can be a high school workout. We feel like the worst workout me ever get. Like up here, so workout wouldn't go 500, 500, 600. That at least me can't do that. Me not telling like cause they not gonna give more than 2 or 1. But high
Yeah.
school, me said like oh god, me I tell you the 2400. That thing was hard. Plus, one time me say give it 2200, 2400, 300. Me hear 300 like me hear
What?
300. Me hear 300. Me never like nothing too fast and now me still hear 300 but me just have to run it like me hear 300. Me
Mm.
not telling like me
Why I
hear
love
300.
them? I
Yeah.
them are 150. Love them. Love them. Love them.
Changing no stop. Changing me here changing. It me don't know why. It probably too fast but no. Me just kinda get to like it but me not like it. If you
Yeah.
understand what I mean. Me not
Yeah, I
like
know what you mean,
changing.
man.
But high school, that I worst work with me, but get 2400 and you have it's just a jog back like you just get little water, go to
What
water.
again? Yeah.
Like that I
If
worst work with me ever say.
I
Do
feel
that
like
say.
most I record them when we get in high school. In high school, I just feel like Bill character. Me not think some of them serve no purpose other than Bill
I
character.
feel
God no. Some of them make no sense.
I
No
feel
sense.
because
Yeah.
I look like for somebody I give them 2400 like
You
bro
see me?
come on bro. Sometimes I say to myself one day if him can't come out here do it because we really fuck like sometimes me I say to myself, say, me just did it in my head and me I listen, me I say, Mumbi, me I say, me wonder if him can come out there and do it. Like, if he think when he might go to training program them, but he
Yeah.
know what best to is still,
True. True.
You know
Or
what?
probably knowing Edwin Allen know him probably try cut down the team. Cause good live and hold it power no. So
Oh,
just
and
see
before
who.
we did the funny team for real, and who
Yeah.
can manage it? But
Mm.
me I tell you, it, no, like, in class 3 them, they used to get like 15,
Mm.
15, yeah.
Not that far.
That's not far. That was 5
Yeah.
half.
Yeah, not
but
that far.
but
Yeah.
still, some of them, if coach say if Mr. Dex say you can't manage, then give you like 10. Just say you
Oh,
can't
okay.
manage it 10. But
Yeah.
when me in a class 3, me used to do like a class 1 them record because him see the potential in me, he see talent in me, but probably me never see it.
Mm.
You know, sometimes coach them can see that in a year, but you not see it. They just say, Jono, when I give me so much run, look how other people are getting, look at why you can't give me that? Like, you know what I
True.
mean?
True.
Sometimes they
True.
change up your program because they see what you can do. Like,
True,
that's why
man.
when we go to South Florida and like me like coach always tell me from with tearing them and stuff because tearing them fast,
Mm.
Sometimes I say in my head card them don't know say me card if they think say me can't get tired or they think say me not say no in my head because what they when me I say to Terrence and me I say me nervous. He must say, do I you nervous? Do I never get nervous? Do I never? But they look to me mean like me can't get nervous, but me can't get nervous. Like, bro, everybody can't get nervous. Although me not put it on my face and I say, General, me afraid.
Yeah,
You know, like me not go put it on my face because me don't want to put too much pressure. Because when you put too much pressure on yourself, your muscle get tight, you go out there, you do foolishness. So me,
true,
and that
true.
me just say me not put no pressure on myself. So me I tell her something did nervous. She said, do you get nervous? Me never hear do I say she
No,
get
because
nervous.
so me look at your picture them, you know, look, you know, have like a straight face. You look relaxed. Not lie,
I know everybody say,
kinda
but
lie,
bro,
kinda lie.
nervousness I kill me. At the end of the nervousness I kill me.
All the
And
better.
worst thing when you're going at a race as a favorite, you know everybody has said, General, you
Mm,
have to win this race. Like too much pressure. That's why sometimes when me like going at a race as an underdog, nobody know about me. So when me
yeah.
win, I mean, no care what nobody have to say. Like, no, when you're
Why?
underdog, you're going at a race and everybody has say, all right, I got the girl, let me money depend. That time you know, you're just saying, you know, me have a killer, you know. Me have
Them
a,
days are done for you. Them days are done for you, yeah? Them days are done for you.
I
Target up on
feel
your back right now. Right now.
I feel it like there. I don't me say like them the days are done for me because when we go conference, one girl come up to me and say, "Me know see this guy so Florida and stuff." Me I say, "Me know this girl I felt like." Me I say, "What me-" like she I say, "Me know see you go with the forge and I want." So me I say. Me know this is a girl I heard like me going a
Mm.
different country. Me never know say nobody if know me like that. If you understand what I say,
Mm,
I
yeah,
said,
yeah, yeah.
you know, like, bro, me did me a full conversation with the girl. I mean, know the girl. Me I said,
Fuck,
when me
no
done,
way.
when me done talk to her, me I said, Jenny, you know what that thing say? Where you know this a girl from? You know how social media. I mean, think they're funny. I listen to you, you know, because why when me I scroll through me Instagram, me see girl thing pop up. Me I said, Jenny, me just see a girl.
Channel.
I said, oh, it just pop up on the thing. So
Me
yeah, I
feel
said,
man listen
yeah,
to man. Me feel man listen. Me hear say all the camera there, boy. Me hear say look on you. Like, you know, like how you can lock your phone with your face. Me hear say when you screw up on the internet, and if you stop one post too much, them show you them to post it again. Me I say,
I for real. I don't know. I don't lie for real. I don't
yeah,
lie. That's why me I said, me funny I watch it, but you know, say one target them, but that's why me I said, you know, me can't even,
I
can't
say
even
go
go in a
man.
race as an underdog again. Like,
As they say, I would say it's Spider-Man with let's say with big responsibility. With some more responsibility come big expectations. Something like that. So with big, remember what you say, you know, something like that.
mm,
Something like that. But either way, target them on your work. You see me?
for real.
Yeah, and
But
it's a good place to be. Better you're on top than below. So yeah, but Roshana, congratulations again. You see me?
thank you.
I look forward to see 200. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, I can
And
see
if
it.
yeah, I'm gonna link your coach because me need to know, me need to get the video from, cause them record it, not true.
Do what?
Your coach record it, erase them, no.
Yeah, you record the rest them.
Yeah, I don't want
The
them want
200
to
you
see.
want to get or
I
the
that want to see 200. Me, I ask him. Me I ask him myself. Don't worry, man.
I
Me
think
ask
we
him.
record it. If I
Me
go
ask
record
him.
it. I go run fast, man. I believe in myself. I go run fast.
I know, man. I know, man. But yeah, man. Give thanks for your reasoning and good
Thank
luck,
you for
boy.
having me.
Yeah, man. Me tell us, say yo, you never know how far you can go. Can look at you now, 1 hour in, almost 2 hours. Yeah, so yeah, tell her boy, but respect man, that's me. And I tell her you can go far. Big man. You just got trials. Nobody with it. Nobody with the court thing
I
again.
go
Just got
got
trials.
chance, man.
Yeah,
I
got
got the
trials, man.
chance.
Yeah, but
Feel like we
respect
can make
is
a team this year.
yeah. Why not? Why not? Why
Feel
not?
like
Why not? And then get a name out there, you see me? I make them afraid that you know, you see me? Cause why? When I make a national team, the next time you go around, they must say, oh, we make national team, so them fear you. You see
after
me?
real.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Think about your high school days, them, you see me? Same thing.
Yeah.
Same thing. Why, we link, you see me?
All right, thank you.